It is time for some action. Welcome back to the channel, and it's time for some action. Welcome back, people. It's time for some action with the wireless Maxxter desktop and notebook mouse, and this one we got a wireless version. And then is the question, is it any good? And we are going to unbox it and test it out for you, and let's see what we're going to get. So let's take a closer look at the package itself. This mouse got 600 dpi, 2.4 GHz connection and 10 meters of range, and a little dongle. And it's time for unpacking this horrible blister. I really hate these packages, but alright, it's time for the scissor. I got my own method of unpacking them. Let's use a scissor this way and fold it open like a book. Hate these packages. Yeah, like the wired version, it got some really cheap ass plastic to it, feel to it, but it's a little bit heavier than the wired version, a little bit bigger, and I think that's very important for the grip. Still a little bit too small for my hands. Little scroll wheel, the DPI switch for switching for on the DPIs or speed. Here we got a little switch, and here you can just power it on and off, very convenient. We even got a little place where we can store our dongle if you don't need it and just want to put it in your case or notebook case. It works on AAA batteries, 2 of them, and they are not in the package. So let's plug it in the laptop and let's see if it's responding like the other version. What I really love to point out is I'm always buying the Panasonic batteries of the Action because they are very cheap, but they don't leak very often. But keep in mind, for simple pieces of hardware like a mouse is just fine. But if you are buying some toys, keep in mind you still need another brand like Duracell, or what was that other brand? Never mind. They're selling a lot of brands over there, and this one are more powerful. And well, overall, Panasonic, just great batteries for basic hardware like mouses and that kind of stuff. So for the final conclusion about the Maxxter mouse, I really love this mouse. For the money, it's dirty cheap. Maybe it looks a little bit cheap if you look at the plastic, but overall it's a really nice mouse. Nice click, got some DPI settings, good scroll wheel with some little rubber on it. It got an on and off switch, what I find very important, and a storage for a USB dongle. Overall, for the money, I can really recommend this mouse to you. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and see you next time. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more action videos.